In this recording in the series of creating chain geometries, we'll show you how to use curve together with tangent propagation, constant z, and up to entity. First, we'll deal with constant z, and I'll get rid of tangent propagation. If I were to, for example, click on this edge over here, it'll automatically pick up everything that's constant z for the chain. Now, this is not necessarily a chain that I'd want, but we'll get into that in a few moments. If I were to get rid of constant z and choose tangent propagation, and I'll click on this edge, and you'll see that it comes over here. It took the tangent, but did not take this edge, because this is not tangent to it. It was constant z, but I turned off the option of constant z. I'm not going to accept this now. Let's see what happens when I choose both of these, tangent propagation and constant z, but I also add up to entity. What that does is as follows. Let's say I want to go from this edge over here up until this edge over here and stop over there. I can simply click on the first edge. You can see the direction that it's starting to go in. And since I have up to entity marked, I'll just pick the last entity that I wanted to go to. For example, this entity over here. Click on that, then it'll create the chain geometry up until that entity. That's all I want. All I do now is check on accept, and I have a new chain geometry. Now note, with the symbol of an open edge over here, showing that this chain starts and finishes, but that it does not meet up to itself. And I'll explain a little bit more about that in my upcoming recordings.